What's up everyone, it's me Dre and this is Nubian Nerd TV. Now I've got the R Blue Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and look at the glimmer on this. Look at the glimmer, damn it! Anyways, I got this phone. I don't have a screen on this yet. The one that came with it I took off, but I want to talk about protection now. I do have the UAG Plio Ice, very nice case, but I wanted to get something that's going to show off the glimmer. So I got Caseology Skyfall for the Note 10 Plus. This one is Ocean Blue. So hopefully it will match the aesthetics of the phone. So we're going to go ahead and crack this open. And as you see here, just a basic presentation from Caseology. I got this for $12.99 on Amazon, so I will leave a link in the description just in case you decide to get one. Pretty good price. I think they're a little bit more expensive, about $16.99 directly from Caseology. All right, so with this, this is a two-piece design with a TPU border, which is blue, and then it's going to have the polycarbonate clear for the back so that you get to showcase the phone, whether you have the R Glow, the R White, R Black, for the European versions, which has the R Red, and of course this one right here, which I think I've already said. It's going to have minimal protection, so it's not going to be as heavy duty as you might find with Armadillo Tech or OtterBox, but it is going to offer you protection, especially if you decide to put a skin on this, like a D brand skin. It's going to allow you to show off the back of the phone, which is one of the reasons why you would get something so sparkly like this. But let's go ahead and open this up here. All right. Very basic. And again, you see right here, clear. Now they got the paperwork with the Caseology, so welcome to the club. We're happy to have you. Just some base paperwork, so file that off to the side here. Now with the case, you have your camera cutouts, and again, this is a two-piece design where the blue part does come off. I'm not going to take it apart. You got some basic Caseology branding here. On the right side is completely naked. You have your cutouts on the top for your noise-canceling microphone and your speaker. On the bottom, you have your opening for your S Pen, for your speaker, for your charging port, and then for your mic. And then on the left side, you have your options. Well, not your options, but you have your buttons here for your volume up and down and your Bixby/power button. And then you have more Caseology branding here. But again, with this, looks like it's already picked up some fingerprints. So that's one of the things that you're gonna have to deal with, just like with the phone with fingerprints, but very nice. Let's go ahead and put the phone here, see how it looks. All right, so it snaps in there pretty good. So this is pretty nice. And from here, you get to showcase how the phone looks, which is really, really nice. So most importantly, you have your openings here for your camera cutout with your 4 cameras and your I forgot what that's called, but your infrared, and then you have your time of flight, your TOF. Of course, your openings here. We've already gone over that. Access to the S Pen, so it's very comfortable. You can get the S Pen in and out very easy. So that's a plus. The buttons. All right, so the buttons are very tactile, which is very good, so it's not going to interfere, and they do protrude out. For me, I like a case where the buttons aren't flush because it allows me, if I'm not looking at the phone, I can differentiate just by feel how the buttons feel. Now I know when to differentiate between the power and the volume rocker. Unfortunately, because Samsung has decided to move the power button over to the left side, didn't take me too long to get acclimated to it. I'm more used to the power button being on the right side. With my previous phone, I had the Pixel 2 XL, so everything was on the right side, but this is completely fine. But overall, it looks pretty good. Again, the main thing is just being able to access the S Pen, which is very easy. But again, this is the Skyfall Ocean Blue for Caseology. And one last thing I almost didn't mention, but you have some lip protection here. So if you decide to lay the phone face down, it's going to give you minimal lip protection, but it's going to give you, so that if you do lay it face down, the screen is not going to be touching the surface. You're not going to get scratches. And of course, with a phone this expensive, because it's like $1,100 for the for the Note 10 Plus, getting some sort of skin, preferably from white stone dome protector or in my case, I'm going to be installing an AM film one, which is similar to Whitestone Dome, just a little bit cheaper. But if you like this video, I hope that you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.